Good morning. Hi, this is Brenda Meller, and I just wanted to remind you that we are holding a LinkedIn training session this Thursday through Reboot Detroit Accel, and the session is going to be in Southfield. So still have a few seats remaining. If you're interested, we'd love to have you register. So one thing to keep in mind if you're thinking about attending this session is the fact that LinkedIn has about 500 million members. So if you're a woman in transition, if you're somebody who's maybe a mom who's returning to the workforce, and you're trying to think about increasing your visibility, consider the fact that only about half of those 500 million members on LinkedIn are active. Now that means they go out once a month or more. So what does this mean is that about half of those individuals aren't going on LinkedIn that often. So in order to keep yourself top of mind, in order to build out your network and build new connections, you have to maintain ongoing visibility on LinkedIn. This is one of the techniques I'm going to show you in this Thursday's session. And you can certainly increase that visibility by posting regular status updates. So if you're watching this video, what I'd like you to do is click to share, and that counts as a status update. Share with your network that you are increasing your visibility on LinkedIn. Share with them the fact that you know me and you'd like to help me promote this session. Or share another tip or technique that you've learned on increasing your visibility on LinkedIn. This is Brenda Meller. I look forward to seeing you this Thursday. Thanks.